Alright, here comes two 39As. One's newer, one older. We'll go from the receiver to the lever. Show you the difference here. This is the older 39A. One thing, this is a little square. You can tell the difference. On the newer one, this is rounded. And the receiver screw, this is a lot smaller. This is probably big as your pinky. And on the newer gun, this is almost big as your thumb. It's got like a flat head in there. Then they got more screws here. This one's got one here, two, and then two here. On the older one, it's only got two. One here and one here. Difference, some 39s, they might have different stocks. On this older stock here, it's more straight. On this one right here, comes in, it's got a groove. If you can see that. And this one's just straight. It's got 3 screws right here. And it'll say Marlin model 92. This one just got 1 screw. The forearm stock, you can tell a difference. This one's rounded right here and a little thicker. This one is round and skinnier. The newer 39A is a little shorter. It's about almost 5 inches, 4.5 inches in length, shorter. The new one comes with a sling, swivels on it. We'll flip over to the other side here. It's got the same sights though as the old school. On the other side of this, you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws right here on the left side of this newer style receiver. On the old school, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The difference is there's 2 small screws right here. There's none on this one. There's a big one right here, but not on this one. And on the older one, there's a screw here, and not on this side. Another thing, you can take this front sight piece off. That'll help you. Your sight's still there, but it's just a sight cover. You can see right through it. It just snaps on. Most 30-30s or 35s will have them on there. It's just a guard. It works real good. I prefer it off. Some people like it on. This one, I think, had it at one time, but doesn't have it on there now. Real easy. It's got to pull it off. See if I can get you to help. There's those grooves. They just slide into this groove right here. That's it. It's on. .39A lever action 22. Now, if I had a choice to pick which one of the two, this is the newer, this is the older, I would go with the older. There's more money involved in the older one, but I don't know. This older one just feels right, and it shoots excellent. They both shoot great, but if they come down to the two, this is the one I would have. A really excellent gun. 50 yards, I can shoot a dime with this thing. This thing is excellent. Iron sights. Over and over, time and time again, it won't let you down. You just keep it clean. Always keep the lever action clean, and you'll have no problems with it. And we'll show you how to tear it down a little bit and show you the insides of it here in a little bit. Alright, right here's the old school 39A. A really good gun. We're going to shoot this one first. If you know, if you ain't a good shooter, this gun will make you a good shooter. This is a really good gun. And let's give it a go. Here's the newer model style 39A. A couple differences we'll explain. You got the newer style is rounded up here on the lever action, here on the stock. You got more screws in the receiver. We're going to shoot this one to see what the difference is.